You go out with your family for an evening walk and click a picture like this. And after 10 minutes of Photoshop raw edit, you make it look like this. As a great man said, you don't take a photograph, you make it. Hi, my name is Akash, a software project manager on weekdays and a passionate photographer on weekends. Welcome to my tutorial. Hi everyone. Let's start editing this picture. I've taken this picture yesterday evening. So let's start what we can do on this picture. I've opened this picture in Photoshop and in Camera Raw 12.2.1 version, taken this picture in Canon 5D Mark II with the Canon 1740 f4 lens. While editing this picture, I like this picture first of all. This has a certain mood. I have taken this picture myself. I've set the camera on a tripod and then clicked it. So let's start editing this picture. It's a little dark for my liking. I need to recover the shadows, make the colors pop a bit. I've taken this picture in RAW, so hopefully I should be able to do something with this. When I start editing the picture, the first thing I do generally is check the exposure, make it a little bit overexposed to start with, little bit of contrast. Highlights I generally push it on the left side. Let's see how it looks. Shadow, there is a lot of shadow in this picture. If you see the histogram, there is a lot of area on the shadow portion. Let's try to bump up the shadow and see how it looks like, if we can recover some details. If you see on the right hand side, in this region, there the lights are coming up, the grasses are becoming green. Let's see a little more how it looks like. Not bad. Let's leave it here. Blacks, we will not recover from the blacks because then the greens will pop up. Let's just put it 5, and then whites, let's make it -7 for the time being. Texture, I'll just put it +5. Clarity +5 or +6 kind of. Dehaze, I want a sharper picture, so let's put it on +6. Vibrance is always +10 for me, most of the time, 90% of the time. Not bad. Is the alignment all right? So I'll check with the scaling tool and make the scale with the point which should be worked as a baseline. So little bit of alignment is to be corrected. Let me try out if with a gradient filter, if it makes any difference with in the cloud. How about if I make it little bit more bluish? Not bad. There's a moon here in a small way. It is showing up all right, but it's not clear enough. Let's keep it like this. Highlights little down. I need to clean up the area for this one later. Let me keep it like this and see how it looks like. Not bad. Next, I generally go and correct the profile section in the lens correction, remove the chromatic aberration and enable lens correction. If you see, it will pop up it will correct automatically. If there is a vignette, if there is a distort, it will correct. I leave it like this. I will not play around with this. Generally, next I'll go back and play with the temperature now and see for the white balance. If we edit the white balance a bit, how does it look? It was evening time. There was a kind of light which was there. How it looks like now? Little bit of tint side, little bit of pinkish color here. How does it look like? Yeah, not bad. Little bit of warmness. Yeah, why not? Moving on to the highlight section. Not much to play around. I don't want to make it increase for sure. Lights are alright. Dark is here. Little bit of dark. What else? Saturation. Yeah, blue can be made a little more blue. If I make it white, it becomes a kind of dull picture. So I'll make it a little bit more bluish. +10 looks alright. Luminance, playing with the luminance a bit just to make something, because the sky is flat. I was expecting a good sunset yesterday, which did not happen. I know myself is this was a long exposure shot, so there was I couldn't still stand still for 2 minutes or 3 minutes, so that's fine. So two or three seconds, so that's all right. If you see the green luminance, the greens are becoming brighter, which is good. Orange luminance looks alright. Just a little bit of pop. What else? I still don't like this the museum Luan's gallery color here. So I just see if I can edit that a bit. What else? What else? Okay, that's all. Raw processing. Let me see if I open the image in Photoshop, how does it look like? Yeah, it has opened up in Photoshop. Let me make this one up so that it is visible. In Photoshop, let me make a new layer first. Generally when I do, I'm just trying to figure out what I need to do next. The crop, if I crop from the top left, it becomes more focused. Yeah, this looks alright. The picture becomes more compact. I'm not losing out anything here, so let me crop it a bit. Next, I will do the adjustment in the layer. If I need to do anything, just light adjustment, nothing much. Brightness and contrast. Contrast, I'll make a pop with the contrast. I'll select all these layers and make it Command G. I'll group it. Okay, alright. This looks alright. Not bad. This was the original picture. This is the edited one. Original picture and the edited one. Let me take the original picture and open it separately. Let me delete this first. And generally what I do is after this I'll save it. I'll save the original as a JPEG format. I generally save as a free picture called original, where I save all my original pictures. Then I'll go to the image section and then make it as a image of 1200 by 800, which is my standard one. Make it big to see it myself. It's alright. I'll put my brush. I'll stamp my logo here, and that's it. I'll save it. I have been saving all my pictures in and uploading the smaller size in Flickr for over the years. So I'll generally go and save it in my Flickr folder. All my uploadable pictures will go in this Flickr folder, and that's it. Thank you for everyone for watching this video. That's all for now. Thank you.